Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply a tourist visa to South Korea, or in other terms Republic of Korea. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply for a tourist visa to Korea, like Korea does have a process of ETA, okay, that you can apply online. But not every country citizens are eligible for it. So if you are an eligible citizen, you can go through ETA. But in case you are not, you need to check the website of the embassy or the mission that is responsible for your area, because they may have some additional criteria or additional requirements that uh, may not be applicable or could be additionally applicable to you. All right, guys. So guys, let's say you are an Indian citizen living in India. So in front of you, I have opened Embassy of the Republic of Korea in India. And under Consular and Visa Services, we have the link for this visa. I click on it. So you can see that they have outsourced it to VFS. They have given the link also. And based on jurisdiction where you are staying, you need to submit, okay, your application. So let's open this VFS site. So I have opened it over here. I'll open once more so that you get the full idea. Okay, so this is site. Now they do have like normal processing, express processing, where you can get a faster processing for your application, but we'll go through that. So let's click on here, apply for a visa. So steps are pretty clear. Identify the visa type, start your application, book appointment, pay your fee, visit visa application center, track your application, collect your passport. Okay. So I'll take you from the first link. Okay. Yeah, here. Identify the visa type. So let's start with the visa type. So let's say you're going for tourism. So we'll go for short term, temporary visit. Okay. Form we need to fill online on Korea site. We'll go through that. But overview, eligibility they have given that this is for tourism, transit, relative visit and all. You can read it yourself. It's not a big deal. Yeah, fee. See, for normal processing, this is the fee, short-term single entry. For express processing, this is the fee. It's more than that, of course. So for you can see they're gonna charge you additional, and they have given fee for Vietnamese nationals also. And there are additional fee like CGST, courier form, courier fee and all, whatever is applicable, and you need to pay in cash when you are applying through VFS. Documents required, checklist. This is very important that for tourist visa. For tourist visa, it could be visiting family or friends. It could be to attend a marriage, sightseeing. So let's say you're going for tourism, sightseeing. So this is going to be your checklist. Fee they have given, but if you come from passport, 2 photographs, minimum 6 months of validity for passport, 2 recently taken photographs. We'll go for photo specification. Duly filled visa application form by applicant. Occupation proof of employment, 1 year salary slip, proof of income tax return, ownership unit additional, company registration copy, business profile details, health condition form. Okay, we'll go through all that. We were here. Okay. A health condition report form you have here. This you can take. It's in English also, so don't worry about it. Photo specifications, processing time, it's given. Photo specifications are general. You can take it to any good photographer and they can take it for you, but yes, it should meet the specifications. Processing time is also given over here. See, for Express it's faster, but again it varies from case by case. It may or may not be quick for you even if you go for Express, or they may ask you for additional documents interview if they feel so. So here you have business profile. This is for SEMP employers. Business profile proprietor. Okay. Declaration form. This you need to fill by the applicant. And here comes the visa form on the portal, Korean portal. So you need to you need to take the form, okay, submit, and then you can take a copy also, like you can submit and take a copy of it, and you can go for this to your application appointment. So here you can search, click here, search for your country. Let's say this is where you are submitting. Okay. So status of stay. Let's say you're gonna be tourist. Inviting company, no. Then you need to provide personal information, details, passport information, contact details, and unfortunately I won't be able to go to the next section because it is asking for photos and all that I cannot do. But you got the idea that this is where you can fill the form, and it's going to be pretty simple. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. You have got the idea. Thank you.